y'all, welcome back to All Things with Tip. So today I will be doing a 27-piece quick weave. This will be my first time, so y'all bear with me. There's a few things that I will do differently next time, so it's just a learning process. So I started out with just doing my quick weave, just how I would do a normal quick weave. I did the cap, and right here you'll see me cutting this cap off. Once I got done with that, then I just started placing my tracks. I did try to cut it into the styles. I did kind of want some sideburns on the side. I wanted them to come down a bit. So that's what I am doing here. All right, y'all, so for this 27-piece quick weave, I'm using my 30-second glue, and you know I love my Pump It Up. Then I go in with the shortest tracks that were in the 27-piece. I think next time I will go with there's like another longer piece. It's not the longest, but it's like the mid-length. So I'll go with that next longest length that's in the 27-piece in my back portion, as well as my sides, because I still did have some tracks left over. And then I'll keep them close in the back, but won't keep them as close. I'll just kind of separate just a little so it won't be so bulky in the back. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, share, like, and subscribe, and I will be back. All right, as y'all can see, once I got to a certain point, I stopped wrapping it from side to side, and I started adding those pieces in the front to give me my bang. And then once I got to a certain point with that, then I started back wrapping it from side to side, and then you'll see me going into a circular motion to complete or to close that hole in the top. right, so this is the closure. I think I could have did without the closure also. I think it would have looked a little bit more natural in the top area. But if you can get that middle piece closed up good, you don't need to use the closure. So I just kind of wanted to, this is my first time, so I just kind of went in and used everything that was in the pack, but it's a learning experience again. So just shows me what I can do differently next time. But thank you guys for continuing to watch, and here you'll see me just razoring the back. I tried to get it as low as I could, and I just went out through the sides and the top and razor as well. Just kind of use my shears as well, just some different cutting techniques to try to get the style the way I wanted it and to try to get it as natural as I could. So as I was editing my video, I was kind of looking at it, and as I was combing it, it kind of looked okay just how it was. But I did decide to go in and mold it. I wanted to get that back a little bit more laid. So I just put my Nairobi on it. I didn't soak it because I did not want my tracks to come out. So I just kind of tried to put it on the ends of the hair to hold that back piece, and then you'll see me putting it on the sides and the top. But I did not want to drench it in setting lotion. And so I just kind of put it around the edges, and I did put it on the top, but I tried to put it mostly on the ends of the hair so it would not saturate the actual track and come up. And then I just molded it like I normally do, and then once it dried, I went in and cut and style. So you'll see that coming up next. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. You can also check out my website. It's www.allthingswithtip.com. I actually have a few of my favorite products on the website with links if you want to purchase your own. And as well, I'll just keep adding them as I go. I love to do hair. I love hair products. So I'll be adding them as I find new products. So thanks again. Y'all keep watching. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Let me know how your 27-piece quick weave turns out. And thank you guys again. Make sure you stay safe and blessed. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you all next time. You know what it is. Peace.